How to discover your iPhone's real battery health. So if you want to discover your iPhone's real battery health, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then you need to go with an option of privacy and security. After that, again, scroll down and tap on analytics and improvement. Now go with analytics data. And if you've not turned on your Share iPhone analytics, then you won't be able to discover your iPhone's real battery health for 24 hours because it needs 24 hours to load your analytics. So make sure that this is turned on, but if it's turned off, you need to come back again after 24 hours. So in my case, it's turned on. So I'll just simply go with analytics data. And here you need to go and select the latest analytics data. So scroll down and today is 23rd April. So you need to go and select the 23rd one and you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the share button, which will be on the top, and tap on more, which will be on the right side. And here you will have battery status option. Tap on it. And as you can see that here you will have your original iPhone's battery health. So you will have the maximum FCC and the nominal charge capacity and your cycle count, the number of complete charge cycles, and relative to when it was new, your battery capacity is this much. This is your iPhone's real battery health. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.